Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Dal Bati Churma is a speciality dish from Rajasthan. This dish is a mixture of three recipes, that is mixed dal, baked wheat balls bati and powdered wheat balls churma. This 3-in-1 treat, Dal Bati Churma, is a typical Rajasthani treat. It's usually served for lunch or dinner. A fresh warm bowl of Dal Bati Churma on a winter day is nothing less than a blessing. Dal bati seems to be a perfect filling lunch, and churma will satisfy the craving for something sweet. So let's get started. First we'll prepare the batis. For that we'll take 2 cups of wheat flour, quarter teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ajwain, quarter teaspoon of baking powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons of semolina rava, quarter cup of ghee or clarified butter. Now in a large mixing bowl, take the wheat flour, add salt, semolina, baking powder, salt, mix them all well. Now we'll add the ghee, mix well, making sure the dough is moist and it has to hold a shape when we press it with a fist. So now in this stage we'll add water in batches and we'll try to knead the dough. We'll knead the dough slightly in a stiff manner as we prepare for puri. Now we'll rest it for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we'll knead the dough again and make them to a small balls and keep it aside. Now pinch a small ball sized dough and roll it. You can roll it in any shape as you wish. I have made it in this shape and I have given a shape like this and seal them together, and I am making a mark using a knife so that this helps to uniformly cook from all the sides. Further, we'll roll without giving much pressure to the batis. The same way I'll prepare the remaining batis and keep it aside. Now we'll heat a appam pan or a cooker on a low flame with few drops of ghee. Place the rolled bati in each mold. Cover and cook on low flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we'll flip over and cook the other side. You can cook for further 15 minutes. And now we can see that the bati is cooked from all the sides and also it is cooked from inside. Now I'll transfer it to a bowl, and for more flavor I am going to dip the batis in a bowl of ghee, so it gives a more taste, and also the batis will be soft from inside. So we'll dip all the batis and keep them aside. So now since the batis are ready, we'll prepare the dal. For that today I have taken 5 types of dal: tur dal, masoor dal, chana dal, black gram, green gram. Add them all to a mixing bowl. Wash it well with running water. Add them to a pressure cooker and you can cook it for 4 whistles. You can also add 1 teaspoon of ghee and cook. Now we'll prepare the tadka. For that, in a large kadai, heat 2 teaspoons of ghee and splatter mustard, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 red chilies, and add chopped ginger, garlic. Saute them well. After 1 or 2 minutes, we'll add the chopped onions and cook them until the onions are translucent. Now we can see that the onions are cooked well. So now we'll add 1 tomato finely chopped and saute them well until the tomatoes are soft. Now we'll add the masalas: quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix everything together and cook until the raw smell from the masala vanishes. Once it is completely done, we can transfer it to the dal. Add them to the dal. Mix everything together. Add salt as per your taste and 1 cup of water. Mix everything together. Keep the flame to sim and boil it for 5 to 10 minutes till the dal absorbs all the masalas. Lastly, you can add coriander leaves and our dal is ready. Now we'll prepare the churmas. For that, Take 5 to 6 batis, break them into pieces and add it to a mixer jar. Make a coarse powder of batis and transfer to a bowl and keep it aside. Heat a pan with 2 teaspoons of ghee and add the powdered bati and roast it on low flame for 7 minutes or till it turns golden or aromatic. Once it completely cools down, transfer to a mixing bowl and you can add chopped cashew, almonds, grapes. Mix everything together and also you can add cardamom powder. Add quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix everything together. Now it's cooled completely. I will add the powdered sugar. Combine everything together. Tasty and sweet churma is ready. So friends, Dal Bati Churma is ready. It is the authentic dish of Rajasthan. Very yummy and tasty. You can serve it for lunch or dinner. Friends, please try this yummy recipe and comment me in the comment section.